In this video, I wanted to talk a little bit more about actually starting, some of the work that you could do part-time and not really looking at this as something that, you could just dive right into and necessarily like leave a job over. Really the best possible thing that you could do would be start setting aside some time where you can work on some things that you're going to be, looking to build over a long period of time, something you can work on consistently over a long period of time. Even if you spend an hour, maybe 2 hours a day working on the same thing each and every day that you're trying to build, then that's going to make it a lot easier over time to, sort of break free from, let's say you're working 40 hours a week. You come home, let's just say it's 6 o'clock by the time you get home. You could maybe spend an hour eating dinner. Maybe you watch a TV show or something on Netflix during that same period of time. Maybe you decide to watch a second TV show. I'll even throw that in there. You watch two TV shows. Now let's just say it's about 8 o'clock. You could spend from 8 o'clock to 9:30 working on your business. And that would still give you time to go to bed fairly early. You could go to bed at 10 o'clock and wake up refreshed at 5:30 a.m. in the morning or even 6 a.m. and then maybe even start doing some more things in the morning if you choose to. I like to use that time to maybe get some exercise in or do something that's going to really help me, get a fresh start to the day. And this is really how I sort of structure things for myself. I find that that's the easiest way to do things when it comes to working from home part-time. As I mentioned at the very beginning, I do currently work full-time as like a senior account manager for a digital marketing agency. And really, I enjoy it because a lot of the things that I've done online for myself were a big reason that I was able to get this job. But really, in my free time, despite doing things that, I'm working all day, I'm working really hard, I have so much going on, I get home, a lot of nights I'll do exactly what I just mentioned. My part-time phase will basically be, maybe like I'll watch a couple TV shows with the girlfriend, and then at 8 o'clock or so, I'll probably spend an hour, 2 hours, maybe going through emails, responding to things, just working on all the different aspects of building my business. And that's, really these side businesses, I guess you could say, some of my different projects. And that's allowing me to build, extra passive income, generate more income from working on other projects, building other websites for people, things like that, all kinds of different things that I have going on. I just really always try to dedicate some time. And really, that's just the bottom line. That's what you have to do. So I just wanted to give you guys some perspective of, starting out part-time.